If you're looking to add a free gift at checkout when a discount code is used, this video will guide you through the process. Let's get started. We have our free gift on checkout setup open. We'll call this promotion FGOCDC, which means free gift on checkout with discount code. In this demo, the gift will be added when a discount code is used. If you want the gift added automatically, you can switch to auto add, but for this walkthrough, we are using the discount code trigger. In the Issue Gift On section, we can pick the condition that gives the free gift. The options are adding a specific product, spending a certain amount, or buying from a collection. For this demo, we'll use the Spending X amount option and set it to 200 INR. Next, we'll pick the free gift. Let's select the 3P Fulfilled Snowboard. Now, let's look at the extra settings. By default, the free gift will be removed if it's not eligible or if the conditions are not met. If you want, you can uncheck this option. If there's already a free gift in the cart, you can use this setting to prevent adding another one. You can also change the loader text and choose multiple languages. We'll keep these settings as they are and click Done. You can also set customer eligibility rules using customer tags, login status, market, and country. To customize your free gift eligibility further, you can adjust discount combination settings and schedule the campaign. Before moving on, let's save this. Now, click on Copy ID and choose Checkout. This copies the ID. You can pick the checkout profile. We'll use Live Profile. In the checkout blocks, scroll down to find Kite Free Gift setting. Click Plus to add it to any visible widget. We'll choose the Information tab. Here, you can enter the checkout extension ID. Click Save. Now, let's copy the discount code and go to the store. We'll add a product to the cart that meets the 200 INR requirement. We'll go to Checkout and apply the discount code. As you can see, when we enter the discount code at checkout, the free gift appears on the checkout. This is how we set up a free gift at checkout using a discount code. If you have any questions, please reach out to us.